Hi, this is Ben Freer. I'm an immigration lawyer for entrepreneurs. And today I'm going to talk about the U.S. government's decision to expand premium processing in 2023 to include national interest waiver green card applications. On January 12, 2023, USCIS issued a statement stating the following. Beginning January 30th, 2023, we will accept Form I-907 requests for all pending multinational executive and manager petitions and NIW petitions, and all initial multinational executive and manager petitions and NIW petitions. The I-907 mentioned in the announcement is the form that you file to request premium processing. And the USCIS website has a handy explanation of premium processing and how it will apply to national interest waiver applications. The website says, premium processing provides expedited processing for Form I-129 petition for non-immigrant worker and Form I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker for a fee. Specifically, we guarantee that we will take some adjudicative action on the case within 15 calendar days for most classifications or 45 calendar days for Form I-140 multinational executive and manager and for I-140 national interest waiver classifications, or we will refund the premium processing fee and we will continue with expedited processing. This decision to expand premium processing to national interest waiver green card applications will be absolutely fantastic for entrepreneurs and others who may qualify for this type of green card. I will explain why this is such exciting news in a minute, but before I do so, I'll give you a brief summary of the national interest waiver green card option. The national interest waiver green card is a green card that can be obtained by entrepreneurs and others who have excelled in their field. The two main benefits of this green card are, number one, you don't need an employer sponsor, and number two, you aren't required to test the labor market, which is the typical prerequisite for most employment-based green card options. In order to qualify, you must first show that you have exceptional ability in your field or a master's degree or the equivalent of a master's degree. You also have to demonstrate that it would be in the national interest of the U.S. to waive the standard green card requirements. Hence the name National Interest Waiver Green Card. So why was I so excited about USCIS's decision to expand premium processing for 2023? This is why. In the past, national interest waiver applicants had to deal with standard processing, which could take 6 months or even longer. Therefore, my assumption is that this had a chilling effect. Perhaps a lot of talented people decided not to apply simply because the wait times were unreasonable. Also, I'm guessing that in the past, a lot of people opted to apply for the more difficult EB-1A green card as an alternative to the national interest waiver because premium processing was available for that option. By extending premium processing to national interest waiver green card applicants, I bet we'll see more people apply for this green card. And simultaneously, I anticipate that we'll see fewer unqualified applicants wasting their money and their time on EB-1A applications that never really had a chance. It is important to note that for people who qualify for the EB-1A, this is still probably the superior option since it will remain the fastest option for a few different reasons. First of all, there's less likelihood of a backlog developing for the EB-1A category since fewer people will qualify for it. And to learn more about the preference system, you can look at the visa bulletin that is released every month by the State Department. There's some really valuable information that you'll find there. Also, the EB-1A will remain faster because the premium processing time is 15 days. As I mentioned a few minutes ago, for the national interest waiver, the premium processing time will be 45 days. One last thing to note, anyone who's considering premium processing should be aware that it is pretty expensive. At the time of this recording, the premium processing fee is $2,500, which you'd have to cough up in addition to the base filing fee for the Form I-140. So there you have it. I'm super excited about this announcement because I anticipate that it will ultimately increase green card applications submitted by amazing entrepreneurs, scientists, and world-class professionals who are great for our country. I hope this information was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, please like it or pass it along. Thank you for your time.